Thank you. You are welcome to this training. This is not a complete lesson. It's part of the first lesson. I just want to show you the difference between the WordPress.com. You can see now WordPress.com and WordPress.org. This is exactly what I'm trying to show you. WordPress.com. You can see now. So this is WordPress.com. If you send this URL, it will take you to the home page of WordPress.com. Then this is the home page of WordPress.org. You can see now. Let me remove this one. WordPress.org. So you can see that they are both different to another. They are different to another. So WordPress.com, WordPress.org. I told you that WordPress.org is a web builder. Yes. So simply because I've signed up on it, I'm already logged in. That is why. So it's not taking us back to the home page. So and this is the dashboard you are seeing now is the exact dashboard you will see if at all you created your WordPress on the custom WordPress on this WordPress.org. So let me show you, and you can see the name. This is the name of your website here, but I will show you when we get to the place. So all the features you are seeing at the left menu here are the same feature you will see when you create a custom website. It is still the same WordPress. So but the difference is that all the features you are seeing here are just basic features. So until you upgrade to purchase a WordPress, a pay plan for it. But I told you that there are better alternatives if you want to host your website, you want to start building on your custom website. Just contact me so that I can put you through. So don't try to click on this one. So let me know. I will show you a better alternative. So this place is also showing you the plan. Then there are a lot of plugins here too that you can activate to work on this free plan. You just click this software, these add-ons is also as if you call it software. So I'm not going to open all those things because we have long way to go. I will teach you when we get to WordPress.org. So the mail box here is where you see any message being sent to you, simply because you don't have a cPanel. This is just a free web builder website. Then post. Inside the post, you see all posts, you see add new posts, you see category, you see tags. So and whatever post you have created, once you click on all posts, you will see it. If you want to add a new post, you click here. Then category and tags are to arrange your content. They are to arrange your content very well so that when visitors are searching for any content on your website, they'll be able to see it like a news blog. You will see on a new blog, you will see technology, you will see celebrity, you see politics, you see science, you see recommended for you, and lots more. You see medical. So because those are the things that some people may have interest on technology, and while some have interest on politics, they go straight to the politics. Some have interest in business. But if your website is not news blog, then there are other way of arranging the category in line of your business. Yes. So you create those categories before you start creating your post. Almost the same thing on page. You see the feature on that page are not many. The reason is that post is not fully independent. Even this word post you see here is a page created with this feature, so all other updating messages will be inside it. Then all those just like this one on the wordpress.org, you see news is a page, showcase is a page, hosting is a page, extend is a page, learn is a page, community about. Those things are pages created by the page menu. You understand now? So what you use page to create, you don't use post. Post is just to update, to pass a new update or new message to the end users. Meanwhile, media's host all your pictures, all your PDF, all your music, all your video, all your documents. That is where you can see all those things. I supposed to have been opening it one after another, but it will take our time, so I just want to show you the environment on the dashboard here, comparing to the wordpress.org. By the time we get to the work proper, I will still teach you everything. So testimony, when people give testimony about your content on your website, you will see the testimony here. When people write comments about your post, maybe you make a post and people start commenting, you will see all those comments here. Then feedback also. The Jetpack and the WooCommerce, they are very powerful software, so-called plugin to enable your website to function normally. And you will see that my system is okay. So the appearance now, inside the appearance is where you see those menus or tools that help you to design your website very well, to give you a good looking. Theme is there, customize is there, widget is there, headers, background, menus, and additional CSS. I supposed to have been taking you one after another, but I will not do that. I don't want it to take much of our time. So plugin are the tools, just like your utensils in the house that you use. Then T is like the block and the brick and the roofing of your building. So, and users are those people who sign up on your website. They sign up on your website. You can also create a new user yourself, then subscriber yourself here. Tools, under these tools you see marketing tools, monetizing tools, advertising tools, import and export. The import and export are for you if you want to export your user here to another website, or your post, or your page, or your media to another website. This is what you use. And at the same time, if you want to bring in users or any other content from other website to your website, you click on import. Then settings, you see general, writing, reading, discussion, newsletter, podcasting, performance, hosting, configurations, and media. So I will only show you the under the general. So under the general now, you are able to write the name of your website. Assuming the name of your website is Liverpool. Then the tagline will be never walk alone. So that is your tagline. The name of your website or business is Liverpool. Then the tagline will be never walk alone. This site icon are those things. This one is site icon, this one is site icon, this 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 is site icon. Can you see now? This one use mailbox, this one use mark, this one use book, this one use play figure, and this one use an image that represents the business. So you just click on change, then you import your site icon there. So, and the site address is homofem.wordpress.com. That is one of the limitations of this wordpress.com, because you cannot customize it as you like. So this is your username or domain here, .wordpress.com. No, but if it is this one, it will be your domain homofem, www.homofem.com. So I think you understand that one now. You configure everything, then you click save. So you change the time here, you click here, you change the time, you change the time to your zone, either you are in America or you are in Africa, you can see it there. Then public, if you still do not want to publish your website, you click coming zone, or private. So if you click private, that shows that people will not be able to access your website outside there. Then the footer credit, all those things you used to see at so in 2003 by so company, alright reserve. This is where you click and you change it, and your site is beautiful. You will change your site address, transfer your site, and lot more. So let's now go to WordPress.org. On this WordPress.org, you don't build website on this, so you can have lot of thousands of plugin here. Like for example, if the plugin you are looking for is the plugin that can help you to build a website for salon, let me say salon, you will write it there and click search. Wait for it to load and bring you all those things. Salon, can you see now? So he's telling you that he have about 678 results. That shows that you have confidence that you have a lot, and all these 678 are free plugins. Although after you install a lot of them, they will ask you to upgrade to a pay plan. Can you see WordPress.org now? The hierarchical taxonomy terms, multi-select feed, and so whichever that match what you need is what you will just click, then you install it. Salon booking, someone that want to, he asks you to create a website where you will be using for his barbing salon, then you just look for it, either premium or freemium. You install it and you configure it. And I told you something, that your website, your WordPress is like an Android phone. Your WordPress is like a platform. While Android phone is a platform, iPhone is a platform, Windows Phone is a platform. If you want to install any application on your Windows phone, you go to Windows Marketplace to download plugin, the mobile application, then you configure it and start using it. If you want to install application on your iPhone, you go to Apple Store, then you download application, you start using it, configure it, and you start using it. If you want to install application on your Android phone, you go to Play Store, you download the application, you configure it, you start using it. Now if this is a web version, those one are mobile application, but this one is a web application, this WordPress. Now these are softwares. Instead of calling it software, they call it plugins. Then you are required to download this one now and install it to your website. Then you start configuring it, and the owner will be using it. Can you see now the way you see on Google Play Store? And these are the future of what the salon blog mean: hairdresser, barber shop, beauty salon, spas, mechanical workshop, therapist, tutor, health care and COVID tester center, and lots more. So that is just it. You download it. They don't write it in English language. That's why they say Starika. So you download it, you install it on your website, you configure it, then everybody will see it and started booking hairdressing. Thank you. I think you understand now. I've tried to show you the difference between the WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Then what you can use WordPress.com for and what you can use WordPress.org for. If you have any other question, just let me know. God bless you. I believe I see you in the next lesson.